camel poops? Where? Point. There's the camel poops. Huh? There's a hole? Where? Ay. Ah. Oh.
There's a hole. Oh no.
Oh no, the scorpion?
Come on, let's go.
Hi, Mama.
Ay, gitawag ka mo namon, galing ka.
Oh.
Camel daw.
May mga nakaplakat
Ha, don't far. Still. May snake bala, Listel. May snake bala. That's why don't go far.
Still, don't go too far. Ay.
Sige na, kay walking lang talaga. Pagadali. Parang goat. Parang goat.
Another flower over there.
The poop bumps of the camel. Parang ano no, parang mga bush.
Kalawanan ni Marloy.
Na ano na siya no, na natakot na siya.
Look at that. It's a... Oh, look at the flower. Look at that flower. Oh, see?
Look. This purple flower is so nice.
Ano?
It's still blooming.
Parang katubo lagi sa gali sa mga amo na no.
Oh, Estelle. Raiden, Estelle, come on. Look at this.
Parang kakaiba yan. Daddy. Look a picture there, oh.
Oh, watch out for the postcard.
Yes, it's so nice here. Wow. Yeah.
Let's go on an adventure.
Wow.
You want to go to the
Don't go there to the... Look at that, Estelle. It's so nice there. So stand there, Estelle. I will stand here only. Oh, may mga ano pa sila ho. May bonfire pa sila, mag-bonfire pa sila oh. Ha?
Fight insects. There are scorpions and snakes.
Yes, tour guide. Ay, si tour guide namin. ay, follow the tour guide. The tour guide is here. Tour guide. Oh, yes, sir, Mr. Tour Guide.
Kita mo mga camel ko pala.
Ang daming animals na napulot sa earth. Ala ka. Daddy, I want to take a picture there in the middle.